AI companions. There's a website called friend.com that offers AI companions with unique personalities, problems, and even quirks.
Wait, so we're talking about AI designed to simulate human relationships. It's like having a virtual friend.
That's the idea. And it raises a lot of questions about the nature of friendship, the importance of human connection, and the potential for AI to blur the lines between reality and simulation. These AI companions can even call and message you, making the experience even more immersive.
It sounds like a science fiction concept come to life. It's both intriguing and a little bit unnerving to think about forming a bond with an AI.
It definitely raises some complex questions. As these AI companions become more realistic, we need to consider the potential impact on human interaction. Will people become so accustomed to interacting with AI that they struggle to form meaningful relationships with other humans?
That's a thought-provoking question.
Yeah.
It seems like we're entering uncharted territory, and we need to have open conversations about the potential consequences as AI becomes more integrated into our lives.
I completely agree. It's crucial to have these discussions now while the technology is still developing so we can make informed choices about the role we want AI to play in our society.
Well, we've covered a lot of ground in this first part of our deep dive, from the exciting potential of AI agents to the thought-provoking implications of AI companions. Before we move on, let's take a moment to recap some of the key takeaways.
Great idea. So far, we've seen that AI in 2025 is poised to be incredibly transformative, with rapid advancements in AI agents, hardware, and the overall speed of development. It's a fast-moving field, and it's hard to predict exactly what the future holds, but it's clear that AI is going to play a significant role in our lives.
We've also touched upon the importance of addressing the challenges that come with AI, particularly issues related to accuracy, responsible use of data, and the potential impact on human relationships.
Right. As we move forward, it's crucial that we stay informed about these developments and engage in open and honest conversations about the potential benefits and risks of AI.
And with that, let's take a short break. We'll be back soon to explore even more predictions and trends for AI in 2025, including its impact on industries, the workforce, and society as a whole.